Upgrading WordPress manually. This tutorial will show you how to upgrade WordPress manually. If WordPress was originally installed via Fantastico, it is recommended that the upgrade be performed via Fantastico instead of using the methods described in this tutorial, as future issues with managing the installation via Fantastico may be affected. It is recommended that you deactivate all plugins in WordPress before attempting to upgrade to a newer version. Click the Plugins link. We currently have one plugin that's active, so let's disable it first. Click the checkbox. Click the Deactivate button. Next, we'll download the software. Click the Please Update Now link. Click the Download link. Since we will be uploading and then extracting the archive to a Linux server, we have chosen to download the .tar.gz archive. If you will be extracting the files locally on a Windows system before uploading them to the server, select the .zip archive instead. Click the Save button. Click the Save button. Click the Close button when the transfer is finished. Now let's upload it to the server. For this demonstration, we will be using the File Manager in cPanel to upload and extract the contents of the compressed archive we downloaded that contains the software. The files can also be uncompressed locally and loaded via FTP. Click the Upload icon. Click the Browse button. Click the file. Click the Open button. Click the Back to link. Now let's find the file and extract its contents. Here it is. Click the icon to select it. Click the Extract icon. Enter the location where the files will be extracted. This should not be the directory where you currently have WordPress installed. We will be copying the files we need to the proper directory once they've been extracted. Click the Extract Files button. Click the Close button. Now let's find the extracted files. Click the WordPress directory. Click the Select All link. Click the folder icon next to the WP content directory to deselect it. Since we're upgrading WordPress, we will be replacing all of the files except those in the existing WP content directory. The WP content directory contains the themes and plugins that are installed on our existing version of WordPress. Click the copy icon. Enter the path to the location where the files will be copied. This is the location of the existing installation of WordPress. Click the Copy Files button. Now let's go to the Admin panel. Enter the address. This will be the same as the URL to access your blog, with the path wp-admin/ appended to the end of it. Since WordPress detected that a previous version of WordPress was installed, it automatically prompted us to run the script to upgrade the database. Click the Upgrade WordPress button. Click the Continue button. WordPress has been upgraded. Now we just need to reactivate our plugins. Click the Plugins section. Click the Activate link. The most noticeable difference between WordPress 2.6.5 and WordPress 2.7 is the organization of the navigation in the Admin panel. The basic functionality is still the same. Now let's go to the site. Click the site link. Congratulations! You now know how to upgrade WordPress manually.